Hi, today we're going to create a class in Edmodo. It's pretty simple. Click Create a Class. Name your class. I will name mine Alan Section 4. I will put the grade in. You can pick the subject area. I will pick Social Studies. You can select a subject. I will select World History since we do ancient civilizations. You have the option to change the color, and I do color code my classes, so my section 4 is blue. Click on that, hit Create. You will end up with a class code that you can invite your students to go to www.edmodo.com, enter that code, and they enter themselves. Doing this is so nice because then you do not have to type in all of their information. Because that username and information is there with that code, they will just automatically be put into your class. You can do both, one or the other. You can click this download the handout, and it will create a handout for you to send home with your students. Hopefully they hand it to their parent or guardian. Alan Section 4 with Mrs. Allen, I'm using Edmodo, tells them a little bit about it. They can get signed up here with this code. You can also tell the parents to pick up the phone, enter the code, and dial that number. And then they can get updates as well. You can print this letter for the parents or guardians. You can download it as well. And you can save it as an Adobe Acrobat file if you would like. I am not going to save that right now. We're going to scoot out of there for a minute. Now that we have all of that done, we're going to hit the word Done. And now I have my class set up.